This video is brought to you by the Online Weaving School. Hop over alongside the 7,000 registered students to see what all the fuss is about. Classes are fun, interactive, online and comprehensive. You'll always learn something new and have a lot of fun in the process. I hope to see you there. Hi weaving friends. So I've made a silly mistake here and I wanted to make a quick video on this because I get asked about this a lot. So when I actually make the same mistake that a lot of my newbie students make or more seasoned students, I like to show you how simple it can be to remedy some things. And it's also a really good reminder that nobody's perfect. I was just distracted while I was weaving this. My heddle is backwards. So there's no writing on the front and the staples are on the back. Tells me that it's backwards. And I could weave like this, but I'm going to be putting another heddle on here and I don't like the angle, the backward angle that it's at. I basically want to swap it around. So I'm going to do that. So easy thing to do is to gently take that heddle out. See how behind the heddle everything is in order as far as my warp goes. So at the back beam, at the back beam here, everything's really nicely ordered. So I'm not worried about the order becoming confused or anything like that. So just starting at one end, I'm going to take all the threads out. I'm going to drop them down. This is not as big a deal as you may think it is. Just do it gently, do it in sections. Don't mess with the natural order of things and you'll be fine. Now you might be wondering at this point what this project is that I'm working on. Well, I could tell you, but then I'd have to kill you. No, I'm just kidding. It is actually a little bit of a secret. I'm keeping it a bit quiet at the moment. If you are in the members group, you probably have a bit of an inkling of what this is because I've been talking about it a little bit in there and showing the design and so on. But everybody else will have to wait to find out. So all my threads are removed. They're just hanging straight. If you have a cat, animal or toddler around, beware. Don't let them near this. And I'm just going to turn my heddle around the right way this time. Put it back where it's supposed to be. As I said, I'm going to be putting a second heddle on the front here. So this one is resting in the back. And then I've got my width marked out so I know where to start up again. And I'm just going to take my threads in order and start bringing them back through the slots. So I'm just going to fix what was broken and put things back the way they're supposed to be. You'll probably notice that I'm putting 4 threads in every slot, and that's because, well, I said I wasn't going to tell you, but I've already told you that this is going to be a double heddle project, so I'm doubling threads. And just take them off section by section. Yes, it's going to take a little while, but I'm not going to be bothered by that backwards heddle then. So for me, it's worth it. If it's not worth it for you, just weave, live with it, weave with it backwards, and I'm sure you'll find it's just fine. But in case you want to, and you don't like that backwards angle feeling, this is the way to fix it. So you will see me speed up in just a moment, and I will stop talking for a little while because otherwise this is going to be a little bit boring to watch. So I'll see you when I've rethreaded this whole heddle. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you. Remember that we're all on this weaving journey together. We all make mistakes, but thankfully there is always a way that we can fix them. So friends, until next time, happy weaving.